Hi Gastro Pals, it's Tiny Small Fry here. Hope you're keeping safe and well. It's Saturday and I've had a couple of days off, so I'm feeling rested and relaxed. And there's nothing more that I like to do on a Saturday than cook something a little bit special for the family. So today I'm cooking crispy beef and Pak Choi noodles from my Tom Kerridge Fresh Start cookbook. So let's hit the kitchen and get started. First things first, need to take half a teaspoon of Szechuan pepper and crush the peppercorns, pop it into soy sauce and then marinate the beef in it for a short while. So I don't have a pestle and mortar, so all I've done is I've pummeled it with the end of a rolling pin gently in this glass bowl. I'm now going to add the soy sauce. Right. So now in goes our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Right. There's our beef. And the steaks that we're using are sizzler steaks. They're quite reasonably cheap, effectively sandwich steaks, but they're really nice and really versatile. So now we'll set this aside in the fridge until we're ready to start cooking the beef. Now on to making our stir-fry sauce. In here we have 4 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, which is this stuff, into which we add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil and 3 tablespoons of water. And to add a bit of a zing to the dish, I've created a quick pickle, which is some finely sliced radishes, 2 teaspoons of golden castor sugar and 4 tablespoons of rice wine. Mix it all together and leave it in the fridge until we're ready to eat. I've got all of the other ingredients pre-prepared and ready to hand for when we start doing the stir fry. But first, let's start by cooking the beef. Although this looks like an episode of Breaking Bad, it's not. There's 6 tablespoons of cornflour in the bottom of a Ziploc bag, and now we're about to add in our beef. Here is our beef that has been marinating for probably half the day now, because I got a bit ahead of myself. Smells nice, looking forward to this. Here's our Ziploc bag with the meat in it, and I'm going to give it a darn good shake. So there we go, I've given it a hefty shake and it seems like most bits are covered, so that's what it should look like. And don't worry about me using a single use bag. This bag will be washed out, turned inside out, washed out and dried and reused again. Right, so the oil is smoking now. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry this off in batches. So there's our beef getting quite crispy. And what we'll do is we're going to turn it a couple of times now and just make sure it's crisp properly. And then we'll be putting it on a tray and popping it in the bottom of the oven. Okay, so welcome to the stir fry section. First off, we need to add in the ginger and the garlic. Our garlic and ginger are in there now, and we're going to give them a good stir fry. Intention is to not burn it, not overcook it, but just to scent and flavour the oil. This is really aromatic, I'm loving it. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Szechuan pepper and the spring onions and chilli. So the aroma's coming off, and it's absolutely fantastic right now. So now we're going to go in with some of the noodles. Unfortunately, I might have overcooked my noodles. Probably why I should have probably bought ready to wok noodles, but hey ho. And now in with our pre-prepared sauce that we did earlier. Okay, so now we need to add the Pak Choi leaves, and I've got pepper as well, because I'm always a rebel. I like to sort of do the opposite of what everybody tells me sometimes. And then with the edamame beans, and there we go, we've got some bean sprouts going on in there as well. There we go, pretty much stir fry done, just cooking through for the bean sprouts to cook through, and then start assembling the dish. This is our crispy fried beef with Pak Choi noodles. Bon appetit.